So topic 8, block 4, understanding slope and y-intercept on page 249 in your book or in your OneNote page. Question number 1, the parents of the members of a baseball team want to raise money for new uniforms. The parents order new team baseball caps and sell them at pep rallies and games. They sell the caps for $10 each. Okay. Now, they pay a design fee of $100 plus $3.50 for each baseball cap that they order from the manufacturer. So we're going to complete these tables to show the money they spend for each cap they order and then the money that they collect for each cap that they sell. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to zoom it in just a bit. There we go. Make it a little easier for me to write. So if they don't order any baseball caps whatsoever, right, they still have to pay that design fee. So, and that design fee, and that seems silly, right? It does seem a bit silly, but that design fee is $100. So they put in the design order. They don't order any caps. If they order 0 caps, it's going to cost them $100. All right. Now, if they order 1 cap, how much will they have paid in total? I'm Maya.
$200.
That's a great thought. But remember, we are paying the design fee just once. That's a one-time fee for setting up to design the logo, right? And then after that, they are going to pay $3 and why isn't this right? $3.50 for each baseball cap. So if they order 1 cap, it's going to cost them $100 plus the $3.50 to equal $103.50. Make sense? Okay, yeah, there you go. If they ordered 2 caps, well, then that's going to be another $3.50. So then I think that's going to cost them $107. If they order 3 caps, that's another $3.50. So that's going to take them up to, I believe, $110.50. If they order 4, that's another $3.50. So what will that be? $114. Somebody make sure that I'm not making any errors here, but I believe that's right. The next, if they order another one, then that's 114 plus the 350 would be 117.50. All right. So, question in the chat, isn't 0 supposed to be 0? Well, actually, no, because remember, before they even order any caps, they have to pay that design fee of $100, then $3.50 for each cap. So even if they don't order a single cap, they have to pay that design fee to get it set up so that when they print the caps or, make the patches that they sew on or whatever. So does that make sense? Okay. Okay. Now let's take a look at how much money that they will make when they sell them. So now at this point, we're off to the other side. I'll make this. Let's use red for this. Okay. Kind of like, yeah, sort of like that. Yeah. So when you sell caps, if you sell 0 caps, how much money will you collect? Well, you'll collect just that. You're not going to make any money if you don't sell caps. If you sell 1, well, then what do you get? Well, you should collect. Oh, wait a minute. How much are they selling the caps for? $10 each. Remember, they sell the caps for $10 each. So if you sell 1, you make $10. You sell 2 caps. Oh, wow. This seems fairly easy. You get $20. 3 caps, you get $30. 4 caps, $40. And 5 caps, $50. Okay, perfect. So that's all we had to do, right? Was fill in the table. So we did. Nice. Pat yourself on the back, but don't do it too hard. Don't want to sprain anything, especially if you have to play baseball later or softball. So which amount grows at a faster rate? Is it the amount paid or the amount collected? Kellen. So which of these has a faster rate of growth or a higher rate of change? Think about if we had to graph these on which one would have a steeper line, right? Thank you. Yeah, the amount collected, the amount that grows at a faster rate is the amount collected. I love it when my pen doesn't write everything that I want it to. Is faster, right? It has a faster rate. And how do we know? Well, because it has a higher rate of change. It's going up by 10. The other one is only going up by 350 per hat. So that is $10 per hat. Whereas the versus, I always say that, versus $3.50 per hat for the hats ordered. Ordered. Come on, right. Well, whatever. One last try. Nope. Okay. So what would the graphs of these data look like? Okay. So, what would this look like? So let's take a look. First of all, I want to make sure that I'm not moving along too fast. Yeah. All right. So if we were to graph this data, roughly, let's just a rough sketch, right? What would they look like? Anybody have any ideas? So let's you know what? I'm going to erase this line here. I'm going to put it in black. If I were going to sketch this in, the hats ordered would be in, we'll do this in red. Now, it would be, where would this line start, right? Remember, this is the this is the money, and this is the number of hats. So if we're going to roughly graph this, where would the money side for the hats ordered, our red line, hats ordered is in red. So wouldn't that start at $100, right? For the cost, the amount of cost. So it'd be up here somewhere around $100 is where it has to start. And then it goes up by $350 for every hat. So it's not going to be a very steep line. But let's talk about the hats sold. Is that what it is? Hold on a second. The amount collected. There we go. The amount collected. We will put that in blue. That's our blue line. So where will that one start? Well, if you sell 0 hats, you make $0, right? But this line, will it be parallel to the other line, or will it go at a steeper rate? Well, I think you would agree that if we sketched it in, it's going to go up at a steeper rate, correct? Well, of course. Of course you're correct, Mr. Eaton. Oh my gosh, I'm out of time. 10:20, what? Seriously? All right, well, here's what I want you to do on this next one. Before Monday, would you please take a look at graphing this data for me in number 4? And if you have any others that you can answer before then, feel free to try. But I will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to be awesome.